Welcome to the 16.0 Kickoff. My name is Jackie Porter, and I'm the product manager over Pipeline Execution Group, which covers merge trains, continuous integration, and several other key categories for making CIs livable within GitLab. In 16.0, the team will be focusing mostly on removals, breaking changes, and Sev1 bugs. First up, for this major milestone, we have the breaking changes and removals that we're hoping to knock out. First one being disabling the outbound scope for the secure CI job token workflow. So a year ago, we added this functionality to add an allow list for CI job token to lock down the functionality to prevent people from abusing that CI job token. And we've noticed that the outbound and inbound flows are confusing for users. So we are going to start with disabling the outbound scope, which will impact projects that were created as of February 2023. And any other project will not be able to enable the outbound scope. In order to enforce the CI job token workflow, you'll only use the inbound scope. This will prepare us for the final removal for outbound scope that will happen in 17.0. So the only thing that's really changing for end users is if your project uses the CI job token and it's a brand new project, you'll need to enable the inbound scoping for it. Another removal or breaking change that we're implementing is removing this required pipeline configuration. So previously, there was no real way to enforce or inherit includes throughout projects. This is before the compliance solution was offered. So now we're going to be deferring to this compliance pipelines offering instead of using a required pipeline configuration. In 16.0, that means required pipeline configuration will be removed. This only impacts ultimate self-managed customers. Now, another piece of this milestone that we'll be working on are Sev1 and SUS impacting bugs. So first up, we have a SUS impacting bug related to the merge request widget and how a review app is presented in there. So today, sometimes a review app will go missing or will disappear from the merge request widget. They can be really confusing for users, and especially if they want to get that review app back. So we're going to be adding some different experiences to the merge request widget to enable users to understand what to do next for that review app. Another high priority bug that we're going to be thinking about delivering is successful pipelines and merge trains not being merged or executing when the pipeline before that fails. So today, merge trains can be disrupted whenever there's a failure before a successful pipeline, and that means that there's technically a merge train that's kind of stuck, and then someone needs to re-trigger it to merge successfully. This is not how it's designed, so we want to make sure that we enable automatic merging of those pipelines. We have some great efforts underway to ensure GitLab is a consistent, reliable, and performant system in 16.0. If you have any questions about these features or any other in the pipeline execution space, please reach out to @JRE Porter.